Imagine you have to serve customers ice cream with any kinds of flavor, but there's a lady who's following you, trying to trick you. In this video, I love playing horror games, and I found this game called Ice Cream Shop Horror Game. This reminds me of this game, Ice Cream Night Shift game, and it sounds pretty interesting. So, let's dive in. Okay, Night Shift 1, let's go. Speak calling. Open. Open. Okay. God. Bye. No.
Before you begin, I will teach you how to make ice cream.
Okay. Okay, boss.
First, go to the counter and grab a cone.
The bacone.
Now, let's put some flavors on it.
I want vanilla.
Choice, add them onto the cone. Perfect. Normally, but this one you can throw in the trash bin behind you.
Behind me? Okay.
If you ever mess up an order, you can throw the ice cream into the trash.
Alright. Alright. Alright.
Okay, the flavors will get empty over time.
Here?
To refill them, head to the freezer room and grab the correct box.
Okay. Vanilla. Oh my gosh, bro.
Alright, now just fill it into the empty basket.
My favorite vanilla flavor ice cream.
That's about it.
It is this close.
There's only one last thing I'd like to mention.
Alright, what is it, bro?
If the phone ever
Boss.
rings again, listen carefully. Last worker. Did
Bruh? Wait,
have a
what?
great shift.
What do you mean? Pick up the phone. Alright.
Hey, I have some important news for you. If a strange-looking kid comes, give him an ice cream with bubblegum flavor twice.
Twice?
You don't want to know what happens if you don't.
Alright, boss. Give strange kid bubblegum ice cream twice. This bubblegum. Okay, that's not a weird kid. Oh. With green apple. Alright. Okay. That's my big brother right there. We'll give it to him. On! Okay. I thought, yes, I forgot. What the? Lemon and 2 times green apple. Easy. Lemon! 2 times apple. Nice. Okay, I gotta rip that. Okay, green apple. I cannot. Okay, we have to wait. Lemon and a bubble gum. Lemon and a bubble gum. Let's go. Much appreciated. Okay. What's this? Employee of the what? What the? There's a blank. Please make me an ice cream with chocolate and lemon. Okay. Yo, everyone loves lemon. Okay. Total is $20. Wow. Gotta wait for the strange kid. We're just gonna give him a bubblegum ice cream. Is that me? No way. Ice cream with... I don't like bubblegum. Not gonna lie. I don't like bubblegum, bro. Yo, that's me. I don't like bubblegum, not gonna lie. That's what. Can I get a ice cream with chocolate and 2 times? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. No, I'm running away. I'm running away. Okay, my way. No jump scare, right? Restock it. He's gonna restock it. Give me. I cannot. We can own. Stop. Okay. Let's go. Okay. What's it missing? Ice cream. Green apple. Okay, we gotta get the bubble gum. Bubble gum here. Here. I want this gum badly, bro. It's just a ordinary person. I believe that's gonna be delicious. Cool things later. What do you mean later? Gonna come here later? Never mind. Okay. What the? What's that banging out? Bro. Bro, stop! Pressing the jump scare on the player, bro. Bro. What are you doing? Okay. What? $70, bro. That's crazy combos. Combination. Combines. Let's go. No. There's no way I'm doing this all my work. No, I hate this. My brother is AFK. There's no way I'm doing this to me. Good. And let's go. Alright. Good. Great work. W employee. Just gonna wait. Oh, ignore her. Do not give her ice cream. Oh wait, I forgot my work. I've been yapping about it. My bad, teammates. My bad, bro. I've been yapping. Let me help you out. May I know you? Do I know you? Do I know you? Nah. No. No. Do ignore her. Do not give her ice cream, bro. She's literally leaving. She's so tall, by the way. Bro. Wow. We gotta ignore her, right? Remain screaming pains. What do you mean? Scream in pain? Do you want a vanilla? You will also burn. What a guy, bro. What a top guy. Stop saying that, bro. Do not open the delivery box. I think an ice cream with chocolate. Okay. Much appreciate. Have a good one. Have a nice night, bro. Ice cream with lemon and chocolate. Yo, my brother left. He's gonna do something. His homework, okay? Lemon, chocolate. And Green apple. Here you go. Okay, got restock. Oh, wait, bruh. Green apple, lemon. Green apple, lemon. We just gotta not open the box, okay? Delivery box. Okay, we stock the green apple. Just gonna ignore it, okay? I have an ice cream with chocolate and lemon. Alright, sir. Ice cream with, ano? Oh my gosh. Bro, what am I doing? Chocolate and lemon. Okay, ice cream. We gotta stock the chocolate. Alright, nice work everyone. Hello, officer. Wow, hello. Ice cream, chocolate, and lemon. Chocolate, lemon, right? Chocolate and lemon. Goodbye, sir. Bro! No, who's... No.
Hey, I need help. Please. I'm down the alley next to your ice cream shop.
No! Bro, no. I hate this, bro. Coming right up. Here you go. Lemon. Okay. Bro. No! Stop. Enjoy. No! No! That's super strange. Do not open. It's literally... No, do not open the delivery box. No. No. No, I hate this, bro. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. I hate this. No! No, stop. You gotta be stopping right now. Stop. Please stop. Please. Have some mercy. Have some mercy. Have some mercy. Have some mercy. What the heck? Oh my gosh. I gotta... Is she serious? What the fuck? Oh. Bye-bye. Like and subscribe, everyone. Have a good one.